My name is Abdul. I'm from Germany and welcome to my YouTube channel Good German, where you can learn the German language from the basic to advanced level. Let's start the today video. Today I'm talking about the unregelmäßige Verben. This is irregular verb in German language. Let's see what are the objectives of today's video. First, we'll see the definition of irregular verb, because unregelmäßige verb is also known as irregular verb, followed by verb conjugation in present tense. Then we'll see conjugation of irregular verb, and we'll see some exercises with respect to the irregular verb. And at end, I will give you some Hausaufgabe, like I will give you some homework so that you can do this and give the right answer in the comment section. And I will be happy to reply you guys. Let's start. First, we will see what is unregelmäßige Verben. So it is also known as irregular verb and also starke Verben, strong verb in German language. According to the definition, the stem verb does changes with respect to the noun, and also the ending also changing with respect to the singular or plural of noun whenever we are using with subjects like ich, du, wir, ihr, sie, so on. So we'll see one example. Sprechen. Here sprechen is the infinite verb and the red color is the stem verb, and in black color it is ending. Okay, so when we use with respect to the subject like du, then the stem verb is changing and also the ending also changing, like e become I and en become st. We'll see the verb conjugation now. Any verb has two forms, like verb stem and the endungen. Okay, now we'll see verb stem. Verb stem is nothing but it changes with respect to do and ls. Okay, and the ending is changing depending upon the singular or the plural of noun. Let's see one example. Geben. Geben is to give. So whenever we are doing conjugation with respect to the irregular verb, then it becomes gibst. Gibst. Like e become I and en become st. And this irregular verb is applied only for two objects. Like first one is do and second one is as, and the rest there is no change with respect to the verb stem. One more example, given. Gibt. Okay. Now the subject is so as I told you, then it will be e is changing to I and en is changing the t. Now we'll see the verb conjugation. As in the previous video I explained it, but I will explain you one more time here. These are the subjects: ich, du, wir, sie and sie, you formal. So this is the verb conjugation. The verb stem plus e. We have to add e with respect to the ich. For do we have to add st. For as we have to add t at end. Wir, en, ihr, t, sie, en, sie, you formal, you have to add en after the stem verb. Vokabelwechsel, changing vowels. So this is a rule of irregular verb. Whenever a vowel in stem verb of irregular verb for a subject do and lcs, then the above conversion rules have to be followed. Like e become I, again e become ie in some cases. In some cases au become a umlaut and u. In some verbs a become a umlaut. In some case I become ei. So this is a rule and there is no other way to memorize, but just you have to remember the verbs where the stem verb is changing. Let's see some example. Vowel with vocal vexel. Okay. So here I become E become I. Okay. And it will reflect in two cases only. The first one, do and SGS. You can see I have given some red marks. So normal conjugation is ish, spreche, like E, do, spricht, like here E become I in spricht and become spricht. For SGS, E become I, spricht, and rest conjugation is same. Sprechen, ear, spricht, Sie sprechen, Sie sprechen. And for the other verb like nehmen is to take. Here also E become I, so rest this it will the rule is same, but you have to apply irregular verb with respect to subject do and SGS. Here E become I, names. Here also E become I, named, and rest is conjugation is same. One more example, treffen, to meet. So ich treffe, du trifft, SGS trifft, wir treffen, ihr trifft, sie treffen, sie treffen. Okay. Let's move to next slide. So this is an example. Essen is the infinite verb to eat. Here ich become esse, du become ist, SGS ist, wir essen, ihr esst, sie essen, sie you formal essen. So here E become I, here also E become I. And many verbs like helfen, to help, given, to give, we can apply the same rule where E become I to the stem verb. Now we'll see one more example where AU become A umlaut and U. Okay. If you see, this is the same rule where how the conjugation is taking place, but you have to pay attention for do and SGS. Okay. I will not explain every word because in previous video I explained you in detail. So here remember infinite verb is laufen, to walk. So do AU will be replaced with A umlaut and U. Loft, lost. SGS loft. Okay. This is one more example where A become A umlaut. Okay. Rest same rule will be applied for the endungen, but in the stem verb we have A become fahren is the infinite verb, to drive. Here A is changes to A umlaut. For do, SGS also A is changing to the A umlaut. So do fast, SGS fast. Okay. We'll see one more example like A becoming A umlaut. So rest conjugation is same, but we'll see the two cases like do it become vast, vast, where A changes to the A umlaut. SCS, he, she, it, vast. Okay. Here the waschen is the infinite verb, to wash. Let's see some other slide. Here one more rule, I become EI. Okay. Here one more conception you have to apply for ish also. Do become weist, SGS wise. Okay. Infinite verb is wissen, to know. Here I is changing to the EI. Okay. Let's move to the next slide. Yeah. Now we'll do some exercise so that you can get some more idea about the regular verb. Fahrt nach Hamburg. He drive to Hamburg. Okay. The infinite verb is fahren. So as I told you, whenever irregular verb is applied, changes with respect to SGS and also do. So we are using here. So we have to use fahrt. Fahrt. Okay. Was, es du, so, Vormittag. What to eat at afternoon. Here the infinite verb is essen. So we are using do. So we have to use est. Sie spricht Deutsch. She speaks German. Infinite verb is sprechen, but we are using with sie, so stem verb will be changed, spricht. Okay, here E become I. Remember. Der Hund läuft nach draußen. The dog is walking outside. The infinite verb is laufen. Okay, so as we are using it he, she, it, so it will changes to the loft. Okay. Samira liest gern Bücher. Samira reads books. Listen is the to read. It is an infinite form. So whenever we are using with he, she, it, so we have to change the stem verb also. It become least. Er washed their Kleidung. He washed the clothes. Okay. The infinite verb is washing, and when we conjugate with irregular verb, it become washed. Washed. Okay. Now I will give you some homework. So use these infinite verbs in nehmen to take, helfen to help, essen to eat, treffen to meet, listen to read, and use this with respect to the irregular verb. Okay. Dash seinem Regenschirm umgeht. Okay. So just do this homework and you can give me the answer in comments session, where I will reply you whether you have done the right thing or wrong thing. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching the complete video. If you really like this video, give me a thumbs up, and you can share with your family and friends, and please subscribe my channel, and I will be making videos for you guys so that you can improve the German language. And that's it for today. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.